accounts when the numbers are like lining up and when the numbers are numbering for real. So do share the live and let's get to work. I've got a very interesting announcement that I do have for you guys. My brother Pastor Tuto is on this live. We celebrate and we appreciate you, sir. I've been doing with the private members that are obviously in my groups that I'd like for you guys to come and take a part and be a part of. So there's like a few things that we're doing. Number one, we are funding our accounts every week and we are targeting 10,000 rands every single week with my group, right? So there's a separate group for that. That's obviously not signals or like mentorship or anything like that. This is basically me giving back and probably validating your opinions about me if you're also coming from the background of people that say Dr. Martin cannot trade, Dr. Martin is this and this and this and that. So this is a project that's specifically meant to help individuals trade like me and also get to think like me. And this has been running for the past couple of weeks, and last week I know that I was really and extremely busy, and this really then affected my work and my schedule for last week. But this week we are back at it and we are targeting 10,000 by the end of the week. So all of this is happening completely for free, so we are not charging anything for that. So if you would like to be a part of this campaign, do hit me up. And then on this week's trading, I've got an account that I'm giving out to the person that's gonna make the most money. So 10,000 is the minimum, where if all of us need to be at 10,000 from 1,000. But if you were confident enough and you risked a bit more to make a bit more money, then you can be able to win. I mean, you stand a chance to win an account that I will fund for you for free. So there's going to be a free funded account that I'll give to you that you can trade, obviously, for the next coming week. So that means if everyone else is withdrawing and leaving 1,000 for the following week, you will stand to withdraw every single thing that you have made, and that goes to the person that makes the most money in the group. So it's kind of like a motivational notion that I'm coming with, to say you can actually be motivated to make more money than the other guys in the group. So if you would want to take part in this, do send me a DM and I will give you guys all the details that are needed. Father has put ngiyakubona mfowethu. I hope we're right. I hope we are paid up. I hope we're right. But yeah, if you do want to be a part of this exciting project that we are running, do send us a DM. It's going to be nice. It's going to be beautiful. I know that people's lives are going to be changed. What we usually do is that every single morning we host like live sessions where we break the markets together. We break down the markets together, and thereafter we trade the London session together. So German 30 is like usually moves in the London session. So in the London session, then we're going to trade together, right? So I will trade with you in the London session. You'll see me executing all positions, live with you on the chat or on the Zoom session that we host in the mornings. So all of this is happening for free. There is no catch to it. There is literally nothing to it. All of this is basically for free, and this is just giving back. We've passed there before, but that time, I think this was 2 years when I came, 2 years back. Yeah. So I'm doing this completely for free of charge. So if you do want to be a part of this, just hit me up in the DMs. I'll send you all the details that are needed to be a part of this campaign. So I'm really excited to be doing this with you guys, and I cannot wait to meet you. Every morning we've got the sessions that we're hosting. So let's change lives and let's grow together and let's trade together. Let's transform your trading career this year, and let's make professional traders out of individuals that we are trading with. So I'm passing this beautiful place. This is very nice, guys. Like, let me just show you quickly. Like, the houses here are to die for. Like, honestly, the houses here are to die for. So yeah, come and let's do that for the week. Let's do that that for the weekend. Let's see how we can actually push. Full margin until it says not enough money. Jesus Christ, which car is that? I'm also saying Jesus Christ. I'm saying Jesus Christ in my heart every single time. So yeah, hit me up if you'd like to be a part of the session, and I cannot wait to meet you. This is the neighborhood to be in. Yes, so many beautiful cars at once. That is hamba zonke. Abantu babuya emsebenzini. Ngathi convoy abantu babuya emsebenzini baye endlini. Yes, no. Guys, Durban is so nice. Like, if you think Joburg is nice, come to Durban. Like, people in Durban have money. You can see this is like mature money, you know. So if you'd like to travel and you don't know where to start this year, go to Durban. Come to Durban. Come to Umhlanga. What is this, Umhlanga vele ne?
Yeah.
It's Umhlanga. Like, this is where we were. That last time you showed me a house. Last thing. La Kwagungala.
Yeah.
Yeah, I remember that house. So do hit me up if you'd like to be a part of this. It's completely free, guys, I swear. If you don't know what that is, you can just search it and you'll get to understand what this is. But in any case, it's crazy.
Yeah.
So I'll respond, just be specific. It's possible from Mozambique. It's what? Positive Valley from I don't understand what you're saying. Corsi K, how you doing? Corsi? Are you good? Haven't seen you in a minute. Hope you're good. Regenesis and Kairos, yeah man, you know. People don't know that me and Pelelani actually, like, I'll tell you the story, guys. Like, Pelelani and I met so long ago. Like, guys, you guys don't understand. Like, Pelelani met me when I was still staying at home. Yeah, back in the day when things are still tough, you know. So we've been friends from then, and you know, yeah, it's beautiful to see the growth in both aspects and angles, you know. So yeah, we come far, man. We come far back. I'll post on my stories. I just joined. I'm around, bro. You are around what, bro? You are around what? Hey, Tony.
Ah, Jan.
So yeah, shout out from Ghana. Shout out to you too, man. Appreciate you. So do look at my statuses and you'll be posted. Otherwise, it's all love, it's all peace, it's all happiness. And this is your boy Dr. Mountain once again, and we are saying our masbanyo tishing and saying out and being in the langa mam sanbona mama hope ni appeal. Once again, this is Dr. Mountain. We are signing on.